Hello, welcome back to my channel Mikis Auto Tools. This channel focuses on sharing knowledge about app-based marketing to help you build effective marketing systems on platforms like Shopee and TikTok. In the previous video, I already introduced the basic features of the MKT page software, which helps you massively drop affiliate links, manage and warm up pages in bulk, and build a Facebook system for Shopee affiliate marketing. In this video, I will guide you on how to add Facebook accounts in order to scan and extract pages inside the MKT page software. Before we get into the main content, let's start with a quick intro. First, you go to the Account Management section. Inside here, you need to create a folder first. Just click Add Folder and choose a folder name. Once created, the folder will appear in the system, and you can start adding your accounts into it. Next, click into that folder you just created. In my case, I already have one set up. Then select the input format. Usually, you will enter your Facebook account using UID and password. So how do you get the UID? You go to your Facebook account, open your profile page, and copy the profile link. Then paste it into the tool that converts the link into a UID. The system will extract your Facebook ID automatically. Copy that ID and paste it back into the software. After that, separate it with a vertical bar and enter your password right after it. Once done, tick the checkbox and click Add. Your account will now appear in the system. After the account is added, click on it and you will see a login option. Press Login and the system will start logging in automatically. When the login is successful, it will display a cookie code. This means everything is okay. The system may open a Chrome window and handle the login process automatically, so you don't need to do anything manually. If the login is completed but you don't see the cookie yet, just click Login again so the system can refetch the cookie. Once the cookie is saved, next time you will not need to log in again. The system will automatically run everything for you. So, that's how you add Facebook accounts into the MKT page system so you can scan and extract fan pages from those accounts. That's it for today's video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my next videos.